Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hi everyone, thank you for being here today. We are Group 3 and we are excited to present our final project in English Mathematics. Our topic is fraction. Before we started, I will introduce my member group. The first speaker, Eka Suryani. I will be the first speaker. The second speaker is Ade Aprilia Rosa, and then Nur Habibah, and the last speaker is Cindy Silviandari. During this presentation, we will explore about fraction, the number of fraction, and the type of fraction, and how to work about the type of the fractional number. And then I will explain about learning objective. The first one, understanding fraction. Student can explain fraction as part of a whole and recognize the value of fraction in V or various forms. The second one, arithmetic operation. Students are able to perform addition, operation, subtraction, multiplication and division of fraction. And then comparing and ordering. Student can compare and order fraction and sort various fraction, including mixed fraction. And the last one, application in daily life. Student can solve real problem involving fraction. Now let's start learning number of fraction. A fractional number is a number that represents a part of a whole of a certain quantity. And the number of fraction. A fractional number is a number that represents a part of a whole of a certain quantity. And then this is a fractional number symbol is A over B, where A not equals B. And then this is the type of fractional number. The first one, common fraction. The second one, mixed fraction. And the last one, fraction of the value. And then the second speaker is Ade Aprilia Rosa. Let's begin.
Okay. The first type is common fraction. Common fraction is a number consisting of a numerator and a denominator where both the numerator and denominator are integer number. Common fractions are divided into two types, namely proper fraction and improper fraction. The first, proper fraction. Proper fraction is a fraction where the number is smaller than the denominator. Example, 3/7, where the 3 as the numerator is smaller than 7 as the denominator. The second, improper fraction. Improper fraction is a fraction the denominator is smaller than the numerator. Example, 9/2, where 2 as the numerator is smaller than 9 as the numerator. Next, how to work with common fraction. The first, how to convert to decimal. We can change it by change the denominator to 10. Example, 2/5 times 2/2 equal to 4/10. Nah, 4/10 to a decimal number is the same as 0 4. The second, how to convert percent. We can check it by check the denominator to 100. Example, 3/4 times 25/25 equal to 75/100. Nah, 75/100 to a percent number is the same as 75%. How to convert to mixed number. We can check it with divided the number by the denominator. The remainder of the division is A. Example, 7/2 equal to 7 divided 2 equal to 3. Remainder 1. So 7/2 equal to 3 and 1/2. Okay, next, operation with common fraction. The first, addition and subtraction of fraction. With the formula A/B plus minus C/D equal to A and B plus minus B and C all over B and D. Example, 2/3 plus 4/5 equal to 2 times 5 plus 3 times 4 all over 3 times 5 equal to 10 plus 12 over 15. The second, multiplication of fraction. With the formula A/B times C/D equal to A times C/B times D. Example, 2/C times 4/5 equal to 2 times 4/3 times 5 equal to 8/15. It's divided of fraction. With formula A/B divided C/D equal to A/B times D/C equal to A and D over B and C. Example, 2/4 divided 5/9 over equal to 2/4 times 9/5 equal to 2 times 9/4 times 5 equal to 18/20. That equal divided into so is equal to 9/10.
And that's all explanation from Ade Aprilia Rosa. And then the speaker of Nur Habibah. Now let's begin.
Okay, number 2 is mixed fraction. A mixed fraction can be obtained from an improper fraction by dividing the numerator by the denominator, resulting in a quotient and a remainder. A mixed fraction consists of a whole number and a proper fraction. Symbol of mixed fraction is C/A/B. Explanation: C is whole number, A is numerator, and B is denominator. The first, how to solve mixed fraction. Number 1, how to convert to a proper fraction is C A over B equal B times C plus A all over B equals D over B. Number 2, how to convert to a decimal. First, find the decimal form of A over B, then add the decimal ratio to C. Number 3, how to convert to a percentage. First, find the decimal form of A over B, next add the decimal ratio to C, then multiply by 100%. Mixed fraction operation. Number 1, addition of mixed fraction. First, add the whole numbers, then add the fraction. Example, 1 over 4 plus 2 over 4 equals 1 plus 2. 1 over 4 plus 2 over 4 equals 3 over 4. Next, subtraction of mixed fraction. First, subtract the whole numbers, then subtract the fraction. 3. Multiplication of mixed fraction. First, multiply the whole numbers, then multiply the fraction. Next, division of mixed fraction. First, convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction, then perform the division of the improper fraction.
Thank you for Nur Habibah. And then the last speaker is Indi Sylviandari. And now let's begin.
Okay, my name is Miss Wulandari. Okay, here I will continue the last group 3 material regarding fraction. Equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction are two or more fractions that have the same value even though their numerators and denominator are different. Equivalent fraction are fraction whose numerators and denominators are multiplied or divided by the same number. How to create equivalent fraction? Multiply the numerators and denominator by the same number. A over B equals A times Z over B times Z. Divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. A over B equals A divided Z over B divided Z. Fraction operation equivalent. Addition. Example, 1 over 12 plus 2 over 24 equals 1 over 12 plus 1 over 12 equals 2 over 12 equals 1 over 6. Multiplication. Example, 3/4 times 3/4 equals 9 over 16. Subtraction. Example, 1 over 12 minus 2 over 24 equals 1 over 12 minus 1 over 12 equals 0. Division. Example, 3/4 divided 3/4 equals 3/4 times 4 over 3 equals 12 for 12 equals 1.
Thank you for Indi Sylviandari. And that's all is our explanation about the fraction. Thank you for your time and have a great day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.